Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this video, and type a number that will pop up somewhere in this video. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now, let's get into this video. Okay, guys, I'm in the Google Play Store and I'll put up this app. Name of the app is Gaming Prizes Real Cash Games. Now let's just look at the screenshot so we can learn a little bit about this app. So play games, win cash, win real prizes. This person won $750. 100 plus games you can play. They have a game called Spin the Wheel where you can win money that way. You can join the lotto, and that's another way to win some money on here. And you're going to be playing all the games free. And you'll be able to claim via PayPal, so you need to have a PayPal account. And how they pay people on this app is through the ads. So they share the ads revenue with you guys. Now let's just learn a little bit more about this app. So it says here, win hundreds of dollars in real cash rewards every week playing 100% free games on Gaming Prizes. 70 plus different games. We bring new ones every month with more ways to win prizes. Play 7 addictive mini arcade games in one app. Spin the wheel of fortune. Compete in the daily ticket leaderboard to earn instantly every day, or take part in the lucky games to win as much as $10,000 every 4 hours for free. That is crazy, guys. So you get a chance to win $10,000 every 4 hours. Now, how do I win free money every week? So you collect free tickets and you will automatically participate in the giveaways of $5,000 given away every month in the Sunday draws. Win real big money prizes with hundreds of winners every week. Compete in the daily ticket leaderboard to win every 24th. Join the lucky games to win instant prizes every 4th. So guys, they have different days that you can win some money. Now, how do you get the tickets? So you play our F2P mini games in the arcade, complete game missions, spin the wheel of fortune to get tickets that way. You can invite friends and get tickets that way and also earn free money, and level up and earn a ticket multiplier and win up to 4 times more tickets every gameplay. More tickets, higher chance of winning free real cash prizes. Now let's look at the rating. So out of 5 stars is 4.4. Excellent app, guys. Anything that's way over 4.0 is a very, very good app. It's not that many apps out there that has a 4.4 rating. Now let's look at one review. So this person says, this app is amazing. You can play online and off, and it has hundreds of games to play. So this person says they love this app. It's amazing. They got a lot of games to play, and they just love it. Okay, guys, that's all I'm going to say about this app. It's a very good app. I think you need to check it out. I think this is a very, very fun way to win some money because you're going to be playing games and get a chance to win up to $10,000 every week. So to download this game, go to Gaming Prizes Real Cash in the Google Play Store. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, drop a comment down below, share this everywhere. Let's get to 8,000 subscribers because I'm going to do a giveaway, guys. So help me. Share this video. Let's get there, guys. And one more thing I want to do a shout out. So today's shout out goes to this person right here. Thank you for your comment. I really appreciate it. Keep checking out my videos. If you share my videos, keep sharing them and keep hitting that like button. Help this channel to grow. Okay, guys, that's it. Thanks again. I hope I brought some value to you today. And on that note, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos. Until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.